Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning Tutorial channel for you. In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to download Ubuntu 24.04.1 LTS ISO file. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To download Ubuntu ISO, go to your browser and in address bar type ubuntu.com/downloads. ubuntu.com/downloads. Now hit enter. In Ubuntu downloads page, scroll down. Here you will find two options, desktop and server. If you want to download desktop, just click on download Ubuntu desktop, and if you want to get the server ISO, you have to click on get Ubuntu server. I am downloading Ubuntu desktop. Click on Ubuntu desktop. Now you will find the latest version, and here you will find that download button. Download 24.04.1 LTS, and the size is 5.8 GB. Just click on download here, and look, the download is started. Look, the Ubuntu 24.04.1 desktop ISO file is downloading. This is the easiest way to download Ubuntu 24.04.1 LTS from Google Chrome browser. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.